On Sunday morning, while it was still dark, Mary Magdalene went to the tomb. She ran to Simon, Peter, and to John and said, "They've taken the Lord, and we don't know where they put him." Peter and John started running towards the tomb, but John went faster, and he got there first. John saw the strips of linen, but did not go in. Peter went in though, and he saw them too. John went in too, and then he believed. Neither one of them knew what the scripture said, that Jesus would rise again back to life. So the two of them ran back to the other disciples. The disciples were afraid of the Jewish leaders, but Jesus appeared in the middle of the group. When the disciples saw, they became very happy. Jesus had risen again from the dead.
Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all. We have been redeemed.
Thomas the twin was not with the others when Jesus appeared. So thus said Thomas, "First I must see the scars in his hand, touch him with my finger, and place my own hand where the spear went in, or I won't believe." Jesus came to him, said, "Now you see. Stop doubting, Thomas. Just have faith. Blessed are those who haven't seen and yet still believe me."
Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all. We have been redeemed. Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all. Jesus is the Lord of all.